How to use keto strips to measure ketosis. The ketogenic or simply keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat and moderate protein diet. It affords many health benefits, including weight loss, blood sugar control and longevity. A common goal of people on the keto diet is to achieve ketosis, a natural state in which your body burns fat for fuel. However, it can be difficult to determine whether your diet needs adjusting to reach and maintain ketosis. For this reason, many people use keto strips. This article explains how to use keto strips to measure ketosis and how to reach this state through a ketogenic diet. What happens during ketosis? If you follow a standard high-carb diet, your cells use glucose as their main energy source, which comes from the carbs in your diet, including sugars and starchy foods like bread, pasta and vegetables. But if you limit or avoid these foods, such as when you're on a keto diet, your body doesn't have enough glucose to meet its energy needs. This means it must look for alternative fuel sources. Your body does this by breaking down stored fat into fatty acids and ketones. These ketones replace glucose and supply most of the energy your brain needs, resulting in a physiological state called dietary ketosis. Being in dietary ketosis increases your ketone levels, which are detectable in your breath, urine and blood. Measuring ketosis using urine. If you want to know if you're in ketosis, urine strips are a cheap and convenient way of finding out. They were originally developed for people with type 1 diabetes to determine if they're at immediate risk for diabetic ketoacidosis, a potentially life-threatening condition. Measuring ketosis with blood meters are a reliable and accurate way to measure the ketones in your body. Originally designed for people with type 1 diabetes, they also appeal to those following a ketogenic diet as a more accurate way to measure ketosis. The bottom line: ketone strips have become increasingly popular as a way for people following a keto diet to check whether they're in ketosis. There are two types of keto strips, urine and blood. Urine strips are ideal if you're new to the keto diet and want an easy and affordable way to ensure you're headed towards ketosis. Once your body has become keto adapted, blood strips are more accurate but also more expensive. In either case, the strips can help you monitor and adjust your diet accordingly to get into and maintain a level of ketosis.